let's start to draw. Tinkerbell's flying, watch her glow. With wings so bright and a happy face, she spreads her pixie dust all over the place. Let's start by drawing Tinkerbell's cute round face. Follow along. Did you know Tinkerbell first appeared in Peter Pan and became one of Disney's most beloved fairies? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more fun art. Now draw her hair in a little bun, golden and shiny like the morning sun. Her sparkling wings are oh so bright, glowing softly in the night. Great job! Now let's sketch her tiny dress and cute little shoes. Fun fact, Tinkerbell's pixie dust helps Peter Pan and his friends fly, but only if they believe. Hit the like button if you believe in fairies. Her wings are spread, she's ready to go, flying high with a twinkling glow. Now grab your colors, green and blue, and bring this fairy to life for you. Time to color her wings, light blue with a hint of sparkle. Did you know? Tinkerbell can speak to other fairies, but humans only hear jingling sounds. Subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more magical drawings. With a swish of color, she comes alive. A fairy tale world, oh how she thrives. Her dress is green, her shoes so neat. She's tiny but oh so sweet. Final touches, let's add shading to make her sparkle. Fun fact, Tinkerbell has her own movies and even lives in Pixie Hollow with her fairy friends. Like this video if you love fairies. Now our drawing is all complete. Tinkerbell's looking super sweet. Great job, you did so well. See you next time for more to tell. Wow, you did amazing. Look at your magical Tinkerbell drawing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun art on Kids Knowledge Club.